Welcome back to my channel, Tech Nerd Archive. Most people use the Windows key for one thing, opening the Start menu. That's it. But the Win key is actually one of the most powerful keys on your keyboard. And in this series, Master the Win key, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do. This is part 1 of 4. Today we're covering general navigation, 6 shortcuts that will change how you move around your PC every single day. And trust me, the last 2 are uncommon ones. Most people have no idea these even exist. Let's go. Shortcut number 1. Win+D. This shortcut shows or hides your desktop instantly. If you have a bunch of windows open and you need to quickly get to something on your desktop, a file, a folder, a shortcut, just press Win+D. And if you press it again and all your windows come right back. Super useful when your screen is getting a bit crowded. Shortcut number 2. Win+E. This opens File Explorer immediately. No need to go hunting for it in the taskbar or the Start menu. Just Win+E, and you're in. From here, you can browse your files, your folders, your drives, everything. Shortcut number 3. Win+I. This shortcut opens Windows settings directly. Whether you want to change your display, update your system, manage your Wi-Fi, or adjust your sound, Win+I gets you there in one move. No more digging through menus. Shortcut number 4. Win+L. This shortcut locks your PC instantly. This one is really important if you're stepping away from your computer, at work, in a cafe, anywhere. Just hit Win+L, and your screen locks right away. Your files stay safe and nobody can access your computer without your password or PIN. Alright, that's the first 4. Now trust me, the last 2 shortcuts are uncommon ones. Most people don't even know these exist. Stay with me. Shortcut number 5. Win+X, then U, then R. Now shortcut number 5 is a little different. It's a sequence of keys, not just a combination. Press Win+X first. This opens what's called the Power User menu, a quick access menu with a lot of useful options. Now from here, press the letter U. This opens a shutdown or sign out submenu. And finally, press R, and your PC restarts. So the full sequence is Win+X, U, R, restart. This is great when you need a quick restart without touching the mouse at all. Shortcut number 6. Win+X, then U, then U. This shortcut is almost identical to number 5. Win+X to open the Power User menu, then U for the shutdown submenu, and this time, press U again. And that shuts down your PC completely. So just remember, R for restart, U for shutdown. Easy way to remember it. And that's it for today. 6 shortcuts, all using the Windows key. And we're just getting started. This is part 1 of 4. Part 2 is all about window management. How to snap, move, and control your windows without ever touching the mouse. And if this video taught you something new, subscribe and ring the bell, so every new upload lands straight to you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.